Here we have an LG refrigerator. Complaint is freezer works, fridge ain't cooling. We just took all the shelves out over there. Remove all your shelves. Remove your door here. There's a door back there. There's other shelves. Get to the bottom here. There could be a fan in this department here. We took that top part off. There it is. Put the whole piece there. There's no fan there, so we know that. Here's where your fan flow comes. Your air comes out to the fridge. To this section here. Your fan is below in the freezer here. There's your fan. We've had it running for about 10 minutes now. Fan is not coming on, period. Freezer coils are getting cold. You can see they're frosting up slowly, but the fan ain't coming on. Completely gone. So this is back there. There's a slot there that blows the air up. In through that. In through this. All the way to the top. It comes on the top and cools your refrigerator down. So, a freezer is working. Fridge 8. There's your problem, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. There's more videos on repairs, guys. Yeah, something's fucked in this fridge. Through the control board. And I got it plugged in for half an hour now. Looking half an hour. Just little cold. That's it. I got my temperature gun. That's it. 14. That's it. 14. Yeah, it's not getting cold enough. That should be all frosting up by now. It's been half an hour. Sucks. So I'm thinking it's there. There's a big control board in this panel here. It's fucked. I'll let it run some more, but I'm pretty sure it's fucked.